Hi everyone, it's Fee here. Today I want to share how I plan for a week meal prep. Before that, I would like to remind you guys, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings out.
Okay, so meal prep or meal preparation is actually a process of planning your meal. Most people do it to keep track of themselves with their diet plan, and some people also do it to save their time due to working schedule. And I also saw that some other people also do it to be on a budget. Today, I want to share just 4 simple steps to plan your meal prep, so I'll be ready. Okay, so the first step is to decide. Decide on how many days would you like to have your meal to be prepped inside the boxes. As for me, I prep my meals 7 days a week, which means every day. Then you need to decide also like how many meals would you like to have for one day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. It is all up to you actually. So from there you can start to do the maths already. How many days times how many meals equal to how many boxes needed. For example, here 7 days times 2 meals, so you need 14 boxes. Then if you cook for 2 people, it means 14 boxes times 2 people equal to 24 boxes. Seems a lot, isn't it? I know. Or you can split it like how I do. My math's gonna be this way. 3 days times 2 meals equal to 6 boxes. Then 6 boxes times 2 people equal to 12 boxes. So it will seems like less boxes in the fridge. Now let's move to the second step. Okay, it is time to think what to eat or finding recipes. I'm not on a strict diet. For me, I just want to have like balanced meal which covered carbs, protein, fats, fiber, etc, etc. Please refer back to the pyramid. Third steps everybody, now it's time for grocery shopping. Here's how I'm gonna make my work easier. I'm going to list out the meal first, followed by what ingredients are needed to prepare the meal. After that, all together I will list out all of the ingredients, and there goes the grocery list. I like to use Google Keep Notes because I can add my husband inside the notes, so both of us can update the list and being updated as well. And also it makes the grocery run more fast because it takes 2 people to settle the job. The last steps, plan your cooking day. You guys can choose the day which is like less busy. As for me, I start early morning so that it won't disturb my main job. Or if I didn't manage to start in early morning, I will adjust it by giving my phone, WhatsApp, Messenger, carousel, and everything related to my main job to my husband for him to handle, so I can cook in peace. I really hope I did help you guys in starting meal prep. I know it's not much tips, but I believe it is very helpful for beginners. Lastly, I hope you guys can be consistent because meal prep can really be helpful and keeping track of your diet plan. Save your time and energy, and also save your money. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.